Hello students, let's do Playing with Numbers exercise 9E. This is found on page number 106. So now we're going to do LCM, the least common multiple. Question 1. Using the common multiple method, find the LCM of the following. Again, we have different methods. The first method is the common multiple method. So we're going to start that. Now 8, 12 and 24 are the three numbers given to us. So first we're going to write a few multiples of 8. What are multiples? Multiples are the number that you get when you multiply any two numbers. Any two natural numbers, an answer that you get is called a multiple. So here it's simply the tables. So let's write a few multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56. Okay, we'll stop with that. There are many more multiples, but we'll stop with this for now, and in case we need, we'll write some more. Next, we are going to write the multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. Okay, let's stop with that for now. Then let's go on to the multiples of 24. 24 ones are 24. Now 24 into 2, we'll write a few here. 24 into 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Let's write 24 into 3. 3 fours are 12, carry 1. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. 24 into 4. 4 fours are 16, carry 1. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. 24 into 5. 5 fours are 20, carry 2. 5 twos are 10, 11, 12. So let's write these. 24 ones we have written. 24 twos are 48. Then 24 threes are 72. 24 fours are 96. 24 fives are 120, and so on. Okay. Now here we're going to pick out the common multiples. Let's see if there's any multiple that's common. There will be some multiples that are common. So let's see 8, no, 16, 24. I have 24 here and 24 here and 24 here. So let's write down 24. 24 is one common multiple. Let's see if there are any more common multiples. 32, no. 40, no. 48, yes, 48. We have 48. 48 is also a common multiple. Now, if you go on, there will be many more common multiples, but we can stop with this for now because we're looking for the least common multiple, the smallest common multiple. So here, as you can see, the smallest number between 24 and 48 is 24. So which is our LCM? The LCM of 8, 12 and 24 is 24. So this is our answer. Question 2, 10, 15 and 20. So let's write the first few multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We'll stop at this. It goes on and on. Okay. Then multiples of 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. Okay, and so on. Multiples of 20. Now multiples of 20 is easy. It's like writing the tables of 2 with a 0. So 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, and 25s are 100. We'll stop with that. Now we need to look out for the common multiples. So let's see, starting with 10, no. 20, no. 30 is there here and here, but it's not there in multiples of 20. 40, no. 50, no. 60, okay, we have 60 here, 60 here, and 60 here. So 60 is a common multiple. Now, if you continue, you will get some more common multiples, but we are stopping with 60 because we just need the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 10, 15, and 20 is 60, the smallest number. Let's go on to the next one. Now, multiples of 3. Let's write a few multiples of 3. 3 tables, okay? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Okay, let's stop with that. Multiples of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, and so on. Multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, and so on. I will go on to the multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, and so on. Now, we have to pick out the common multiples. Let's see what is common. Now 3, 6, 9, no 12, no 15, no 18. 18 is there here, here and here, but it's not there in the multiples of 12. 21, no. Now we have to carry on with the multiples of 3 because we stop with 21 here. That means there are some more multiples, isn't it? Now look at multiples of 6. What is common to 6, 9 and 12? What is common to 6, 9 and 12 is 36. Can you see that? 36 is common. So let's write the multiples of 3 till we reach 36. So we have stopped with 21. Let's continue. This is 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33, 3 twelves are 36. See, we got 36. So 36 is common to all, and that is the smallest one here, isn't it? 36 is the common multiple. If I carry on, I'll still get some more common multiples. So we will stop with this. So LCM of 3, 6, 9 and 12 is 36. Question 2. Find the LCM of each of the following groups of numbers using two methods. First, the prime factor method, and second, the common division method. So there are two more methods that we are using. So let's start with the prime factor method. Question 1. We have to find the LCM of these three numbers, and the method is the prime factor method. Now how do we do it? First step is we find the prime factors of 18. So let's do that. Let's start with 2. 2 nines are 18. Now let's go on to 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So the prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now this is the first step. In the second step, we have to write these prime factors in the index form. That means we raise it to a power. So 2, there's only one 2, so I raised it to a power of 1. And 3, there are two 3s, so I raised it to the power of 2. So this is the index form. So first you find the prime factors and then you put it in the index form. Second, let's find the prime factors of 24. Let's use 2. 2 12s are 24. Then 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. And 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factors of 24? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So how many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3. So 2 raised to the power of 3 and 3 raised to the power of 1. Then the next one is prime factors of 96. Let's find that. Now we can start with 3. 3 3's are 9, 3 2's are 6. Now I can use 2. 2 into 16 is 32. 2 8's are 16. 2 4's are 8. 2 2's are 4. And 2 1's are 2. Now let's write the prime factors of 96. There are 5 2's. So let's write that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then there is 1 3. Now let's put this in the index form. How many 2's are there? 5. So that will be 2 raised to the power of 5 and 3 raised to the power of 1. Now we finish finding the prime factors. We need to find the LCM. How do we do that? What is the LCM now? It is a product. Product means we multiply of all the prime numbers obtained with the highest power of each. Okay, that means now I'm going to take 2 and see. I've used 2 here, isn't it? I'm going to use 2 and see which is the highest power. Here I have 2 raised to the power of 1. In the next row, I have 2 raised to the power of 3. In the third row, I have 2 raised to the power of 5. So which is the highest power? 5, isn't it? So that is a number with the power that I'm going to take. So that is 2 raised to the power of 5. To find my LCM, I should do this. Now, so we finished with 2. So now let's take 3. Now 3 raised to the power of 2 I have there, then 3 raised to the power of 1, then 3 raised to the power of 1. Which is the highest power? 3 raised to the power of 2. So this is what I'm going to take, 3 raised to the power of 2. So I have written both the numbers with the highest power of each. Now I have to find my LCM by multiplying these two numbers. So I have to expand 2 raised to the power of 5. That means I'm going to write it 5 times. 5 times 4 and 5. So I finished with 2. Now I'm going to do the same with 3. 2 times 3 into 3. Now I should multiply all these and get my answer. So let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So I have 32 into 3 3s are 9. So let's multiply 32 into 9. 9 2s are 18, carry 1. 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 28. So my LCM is 288. So let's write that. LCM of 18, 24 and 96 is 288. So I found this out with the prime factor method. So I'm going to use the common division method. My answer should be the same. So let's go on to that. Now the common division method, again we write down all three numbers. Now this is what we have been using for fractions to find the LCM. It's the same method. So here let's start with, I can start with 3 here since all three numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 6s are 18, 3 8s are 24. Now here 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So I finished with 3. Now I can use 3 once more because there is 6 which is divisible. So let me use 3 again. 3 2s are 6. 8 I can't divide, I bring it down. 32 I can't divide, I bring it down. So now I continue, I can use 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 16s are 32. So let me continue again with 2. So I bring down 1 as it is, then 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. I should continue again. I can use 2 again. So I bring down 1, then 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. I still have 4, so I must continue my division. So here I have 1, 1 and 2 2s are 4. So again I need to do one more step, 1, 1 and 1. So now I've finished my division. Let me find my LCM. So LCM will be a product of all these numbers. So how many 2's are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm writing the 2's first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how many 3's do we have? We have 2 3's. So let's multiply and get our answer. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. 32 into 3 3's are 9. So let's multiply 32 into 9. 9 2's are 18, carry 1. 9 3's are 27 plus 1, 28. So 288. It's the same answer as the previous method. So LCM of 18, 24 and 96 is 288. So whichever method you use, your answer will still be the same. Let's go on to the next question. Question 200, 150 and 200 using the prime factor method. So first step, prime factors of 100. Let's find. We can divide with 5. 5 is a prime number. 5 twos are 10, 0, 20. 5 fours are 20. Now I can use 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. So what are the prime factors of 100? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. This is the first step. Second step, we write in the index form 2 raised to the power of 2 because there are 2 2's, and then 5 raised to the power of 2. There are 2 5's. Now let's go on to the prime factors of 150. Okay, again we can start with 5. 5 threes are 15, so that's 30. Then 5 sixes are 30. Now I'll use 2, 2 threes are 6, and I can use 3, 3 ones are 3. So let's start with 2 now. So there's 1, 2, 1, 3, and there are 2 5's. 5 into 5. So let's write out the prime factors in the index form. 2 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 2. Now prime factors of 200. So let's find out. Let's divide again by 5. 5 fours are 20, 0. Then 5 eights are 40. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. So that will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So let's write down the powers now. 2 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 2. Now to find the LCM, we have to multiply the prime numbers obtained with the highest power. So let's start. Now here we are starting with 2. Let's see the highest power of 2 in these three numbers. The highest power of 2. Here we have 2 to the power of 2. Then we have 2 to the power of 1. Then we have 2 to the power of 3. So which is the highest power? 2 to the power of 3. So we can write down 2 to the power of 3 as the highest power of 2. Next, do we have a 3? Yes, we have 3 to the power of 1. This is the only 3, so we can write that down as 3 to the power of 1. Now let's look at 5. 5 to the power of 1, up to the power of 2. In the second row also to the power of 2, and in the third one also to the power of 2. So we can take 5 to the power of 2. Now to find the LCM, we have to multiply all these. So let's expand. 2 to the power of 3 means I multiply 2 3 times. Then I multiply 3. Then I have 5. I multiply it twice because it says 5 to the power of 2. Now let's multiply. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8 into 3 into 5 fives are 25. So let's multiply 8 into 3. 8 threes are 24. Now let's multiply 24 into 25. 5 fours are 20, carry 2. 5 twos are 10, 11, 12. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Now 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, 4, 5, 6. So what is the number that we have got? 600. So the LCM of 100, 150 and 200 is also 600, and we have found it out through the prime factor method. So we finished one method, the prime factor method. Let's see whether the LCM is the same in the other method also. So it has to be the same. So let's start. We're going to divide 100, 150 and 200. Let's divide all by 5. So 5, let's divide. So that will be 5 twos are 10, so 20. 5 into 20. 5 threes are 15, so 5 into 30. 5 fours are 20, so 5 into 40. I can continue with 5. So here 5 fours are 20, 5 sixes are 30, 5 eights are 40. Now I can use 2. So I get 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. I'll continue with 2. 2 ones are 2. I bring down 3 as it is. 2 twos are 4. Then I continue with 2 again. So I get 1, 3 and 1. And this time I divide by 3. That's 1, 1 and 1. So what is my LCM? My LCM is, I'll take all the 2's first. There are 3 2's. 2 into 2 into 2. There is 1 3 into 3 into 2 5's. 5 into 5. So let's group and multiply all the 2's first. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. So here I have 8 into 3 into 5 5's are 25. So let's do this. 8 3's are 24 into 25. So let's multiply 24 into 25. 5 4's are 20, carry 2. 5 2's are 10, 11, 12. 2 4's are 8, 2 2's are 4 plus. So this one 8 plus 2 is 10. I carry 1, 4, 5, 6. I've got 600. So we have found the LCM of these three numbers, that is 100, 150 and 200 to be 600. So we used another method, but we still got the same LCM. Let's go on to the next question. Here we have 14, 21 and 98, and we're going to use the prime factor method first to find the LCM. So let's find the prime factors of 14. Starting with 2, 2 7's are 14, 7 1's are 7. So that is 2 into 7. If I have to put it in the index form, 2 raised to the power of 1 into 7 raised to the power of 1. The next one is prime factors of 21. Okay, so here I can start with 3. 3 7's are 21, 7 1's are 7. So what are the prime factors? 3 into 7, 3 to the power of 1 into 7 to the power of 1. Next one, prime factors of 98. So let's see. I'll start with 2. 2 4's are 8. Then I have 1 left, so that becomes 18. 2 9's are 18. Then this is divisible by 7. 7 7's are 49. Then 7 1's are 7. So what are the factors of 98? The prime factors 2 into 7 into 7. So the index form will be 2 raised to the power of 1 and 7 raised to the power of 2 because there are two 7's, 1 plus 1. Now again, LCM is the product of all the prime numbers with the highest power. So to find the LCM, let's see the power of 2, the highest power of 2. So here I have 2 to the power of 1 and 2 to the power of 1 here also. So the highest power of 2 is 2 to the power of 1. Then let's see 3. 3, I have only one 3, so that is 3 to the power of 1. Then let me see 7. So now we finish with 2 and 3. Let's see with 7. Here I have 7 to the power of 1, 7 to the power of 1, 7 to the power of 2. So this is the 7 with the highest power. So 7 to the power of 2. Now let's expand and multiply. Only 1, 2, only 1, 3, but 2 7's, 7 into 7. So let's group them. 2 3's are 6 into 7 7's are 49. So multiply 49 into 6. 6 9's are 54, carry 5. 6 4's are 24 plus 5, 29. So here the answer is 294. So the LCM of 14, 21 and 98 is 294. This is our final answer. Now let's do the next method, the common division method. So once again we take the numbers. Now we are going to divide all three numbers with a prime number. So shall we take 7? 7 is a prime number. Now 7 2's are 14, 7 3's are 21. Now here we can divide 98 by 7. You can do that division here to find out. 7 1's are 7 minus 9 minus 7 is 2. I bring down 8. 28. 7 4's are 28. So my number there is 14. 7 into 14 is 98. Okay, let's continue the division. This time again by 7 because we have 14 there. So let's start 7. I bring down 2. I bring down 3. 7 twos are 14. Now I can use 2 and divide. 2 ones are 2. Then I have 3. 2 ones are 2. So now I need to divide with 3. 3, 1. I bring down 1. Then 3 ones are 3 and 1. That's it. So now my LCM will be starting with 2. 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. So here I have 2 threes are 6 into 49. 2 threes are 6 into 49. Let's multiply 49 into 6. 6 nines are 54, carry 5. 6 fours are 24, plus 9 is 294. So we found this out in the previous step itself, isn't it? So the LCM of 14, 21 and 98 is 294. Moving on to the next question. We have question 4, 22, 121 and 33. So first the prime factor method. Let's get the prime factors of 22. Starting with 2. 2 11s are 22, 11 ones are 11. So what are the prime factors of 22? 2 into 11, and when we write it in the exponent form, we get 2 raised to the power of 1 into 11 raised to the power of 1. The next number is 121. 121. Now we can divide this with 11. Okay, 11 ones are 11, and then we have 1 carried over. Again we have 11. 11 ones are 11, and then again you divide it by 11. So what are the prime factors of 11? Okay, so that means we have 11 raised to the power of 2. Now let's go on to the prime factors of 33. 33, I can divide this by 3. 3 11s are 33. Then you bring 11, ones are 11. So what are the prime factors of 33? 3 into 11, which is 3 raised to the power of 1 into 11 raised to the power of 1. Both are 1 each. So LCM is product of all the prime numbers obtained with the highest power of each. So to find the LCM, I'm going to start with 2. So I have 2 raised to the power of 1. That's the only 2 I have. So let me write that down. 2 raised to the power of 1 into, let me look at the 3's. I have only 1 3. So that is 3 raised to the power of 1 into, the next number is 11. I have 1 here, 2 and 1. That means this is the highest power. So that is 11 raised to the power of 2. Now I need to expand this. I have only 1 2, 1 3, but I have 2 11s. 11 into 11. So first now let's multiply. 2 3s are 6. 11 11s are 121. Now let's multiply 121 into 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12, carry 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. So the number is 726. So we have found the LCM of 22, 121 and 33 to be 726. This is my final answer. Now we'll find the LCM using the common division method. So let's take the numbers 22, 121 and 33 and let's divide this by 2. Let's divide it by 2. So 2 11s are 22. Now 121 I can't do anything, I leave it as it is and I bring down 33 also down. Now I continue this with 3. Let me divide it by 3. So 11 I can't divide, I bring it down. 121 I bring it down. Then 3 11s are 33. So I need to continue my division. This time I'll do with 11. So that is 11 ones are 11. Then 11 into 11 is 121 and this is 1. So now this is 11. I bring down 1, 1 and 1. So my LCM will be 2 into 3 into 11 into 11. So 2 3s are 6 and 11 into 11 is 121. So let's multiply these two. 121 into 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, carry 1, 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 726. So the LCM of these numbers, that is 22, 121 and 33 is 726. So this is our answer. Next question, we have to find the LCM of 34, 85 and 51 first by the prime factor method. So let's start that. The prime factors of 34. So let's first find the prime factors of 34 starting with 2. 2 ones are 2, then there's 1 remaining 14, 2 sevens are 14. Now this can be divided only by 17 and 17 is a prime number. So 17 ones are 17. So now let me write down the prime factors here. It will be 2 into 17, and if I have to put it in the form of the index form or the exponent form, I will write 2 to the power of 1 and 17 to the power of 1. Then we'll write the prime factors of 85. Let's find that out. Starting with 5. 5 ones are 5. 6, 7, 8, that's 3. So 35. 5 sevens are 35. So we've got 17. 17 ones are 17. So the prime factors of 85 are 5 and 17. In the index form, 5 to the power of 1 into 17 to the power of 1. Next is the prime factors of 51. So let's find prime factors of 51. I can divide this by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4, 5, that is 2. So I have 21. 3 sevens are 21. So I've got 17 again. 17 ones are 17. Prime factors of 51 are 3 into 17. That is 3 to the power of 1 into 17 to the power of 1. Now, the LCM is product of all the prime numbers obtained with the highest power of each. So let's find the LCM by taking the highest power of each of these. Now 2, we have 2 to the power of 1. We don't have any other 2, so let's write it down. 2 to the power of 1 into, then 5, okay, 5 to the power of 1 again, 5 to the power of 1, then 3, 3 to the power of 1, then 17, we have 17 to the power of 1. Now we need to multiply all this. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So we can multiply 30 into 17. So let's multiply that. 30 into 17. 7 zeros are 0, 7 3s are 21, then 1 zeros are 0 and then 3. Now let's add this up. 0, 1, 5. So the LCM is 510. So this is our answer. Now let's find the LCM again, this time with a different method, the common division method. So we take these numbers and we're going to start dividing. Let's divide by 2. So let's divide 34. The other two numbers are not divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and then there's one remaining. 14, 2 sevens are 14. Then I bring down 85 and I bring down 51. Now I'm going to divide by 3. So 17 will come down as it is, 17. 85 also is not divisible. 51 is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 and then I have 2 there, that's 21. 3 sevens are 21. This time I continue with 5. So 17, I can't divide, I bring it down. Now 5 into 17 is 85. And I have 17 again. That means I can divide this by 17. I have 1, 1 and 1. So my LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. So let's multiply and see what we get. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 into 17. Let's multiply 30 into 17. 7 zeros are 0, 7 threes are 21, then 1 zeros are 0, 1 threes are 3. Add this up, we get 510. So the LCM of these numbers, that is 34, 85 and 51, is 510. So we've got the same answer for both the methods. So now children, we'll stop with this for now. We'll continue the remaining in our next video. Thank you children.